Hello darlings and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video we'll be talking about controversial Jeffree Star, a bit of Bobbi Brown, and well that's it. So let's begin. So guys, we got to talk. I need to let you know about this amazing discovery. I'm telling you now, it's going to change your life. So I was scrolling through the old Instagram the other day and I saw that someone I know posted on their story that they had seen Jeffree Star's girl conspiracy palette in TK-MAXX, and they ain't wrong. I got one right here. So I went out today to TK-MAXX and went down to the old makeup section. You see that price? $16.99. Girl, I know. I was shook. So I went outside. I phoned my girl Siobhan. Tried to get a hold of her. Also fit sister Emma. And I bought the old girl a little palette. She paid me back, granted. But for a period, I bought it for her. Yeah? I know. So inside the packaging, we have Drama. This is the result and the founded issue to Dramageddon #2 with Jeffree Star, Shane Dawson, Tati Westbrook and James Charles. I'm gonna drop some names in there to hopefully get a little bigger out of this. We have the beautiful packaging, absolutely love it. It's got the pyramid hands. What do you think? Get the pyramid scheme, so your shakes and your shit. When you open it up with the little latches, when you become a diamond qualified sales girl, you get this bad boy. Forget about the bonuses, hun. It's all about the makeup. So what do you think? Lime greens, bit of pink, bit of red. Nothing you ain't seen before, but you know what? It looks cute. It is the full fantasy. And also, before I go any further, because obviously we're gonna do a look. I've got foundation on, got contour on. Do you know what? I'm not gonna lie, I feel pretty good tonight. It is about 6:30 at night. The only thing I'm doing after is picking up my partner and his friend from work. But you know what? A girl's got to look good. I went into Primark. I went into Ernest Jones and popped in and I saw these old little Gucci earrings, something small, you know, just a little payday treat. You don't want to know how much they are. You don't want to know. I know. And I picked up this 24 karat gold necklace. That's the one. Got it for also a bargain price. I'm not one to boast like pricey, but it cost me about £3 from Primark. So moving forward, shout out to my stepmom. Fabulous woman she is. She is a saucy one. She is obsessed with Bobbi Brown, right? Bobbi Brown. You can't say Bobbi Brown, it's Bobbi Brown. And she was adamant she wanted to buy me something, which I'm so blessed and grateful for. So thank you very much, Gemma. And I got the Showstopper Christmas edition Bobbi Brown lipstick. I didn't realise it was Christmas, it just looked nice in the picture. And opening her up, we have this really cute, like marbly artsy effect packaging. Cute. You get this gorgeous heavy gold Bobbi Brown lipstick, which is engraved in the top with Miss Patra, because I've done a collab with them for this video, and it is like a prismatic pearlescent effect. Look at that. These new £26 Argos lights are coming in handy. Look at my eyes, look. You can see I've got the mirror and 2 ring lights now. I know, expansion. It's because I hit 57 subscribers. You got to expand, didn't you? Look at that. Can you see it? It's like a glittery. It's a glittery blue effect. Look at that. Try and get it in the light. Ooh, kushti kushti. So let's go in for a swatch like all of us beauty babes do, diamond girls. So get it on your hand. Lather a bit on here. Oh, cute. Can you see the glitter in it? I can. In person you can. Oh, girl, come on, pick up for me. No? Well, I promise you there is purple in there. I can see purple glitter, and I can see silver glitter, and I can see blue glitter. The glitter is in there. So I'm going to be trying that on the old puckers at the end of the video. This will be featured, of course, because it's a sponsor. So do go to Bobbi Brown, girls. Get 10% off when you use code PATRA. I'll put it in the link section down below. Oh, it goes in my look. Cute. Thumbnail. So moving forward, we are going to do a look with the controversial James Charles. That would be controversial. The controversial Jeffree Star with Shane Dawson collab parlay. And I feel like getting the lipstick swatch all over the palette just to add effect. This is limited edition, girls. You'll find it on eBay tonight. Miss Patra's edition of Conspiracy Palette X Jeffree Star collab. $16.99, girls, because I ain't gonna charge extra. I gotta do it for the fans. Just gonna, oh girl, Bobbi Brown staying in my palette. So opening her up, let's get the old girl open. You have beautiful colour selection. Look at that. I'm absolutely in love with the look of, let's just dangle it. This lime green looks amazing. This pink and this red. We're using all 3 of them. I've got a little look in my head going on. I've got a little vision, and probably going to ruin all the hours worth of makeup effort I put into this. And girl, can we just talk? Contoured nose, love it. Also coming up on the channel, just to mention, I have done a haul on another website We have a new palette from a new creator, let's say new creator, from a YouTube creator that's just been released. Girl, that's coming in the post. So that one's on the mend. And I have bought some Christmas stuff ready to review in December when the tree goes up. Oh girl, look at these dangly ass ears. So, let's begin. My vision, my creative vision, what my fimbling feelings are telling me is that this bitch is gonna have hot pink on the outer eye with a blend out to the dark reddy colour we saw with a pink blush moment around the outside. We're gonna bust it all up. Just a cute smoky eye for this one, girls. Nothing too wild, nothing too crazy. Then I'm feeling, you ready for this? You ready? Are you actually ready though? We're gonna be doing a lime green. Ooh. So, we are gonna make these beautiful green eyes even more greener. So, shamblam, let's begin. So, we're gonna go in with a base layer of the shade Pigment. This blush pink is gonna be our outer tone. So what we're gonna do is just smother that all over the eyes and then we're gonna lay it on top. So I'm gonna go in with a wider, fluffier brush, go in with the shade Pigment, and I'm gonna just push it onto my eyes and I'll be back. Yeah, I know. Ooh. So I forgot. Let's go in for some swatches. So I'm going to go in for 5 swatches. I'm going to go in now with the shade Food Videos, which is a lime green. Wow. And then let's go in now with Not a Fact. So there we have the maroon colour. Let's go in now with, what's the tea kind of in? Really nice, like dusty blue. Let's go in now with Trisha, which is a pink highlight. Wow. And then finally, I'm quite interested in Illuminati. It's like this, cute. So the next colour we're going in for now is the Not a Fact colour, which is the maroon colour, which is this colour here. So now using a smaller packing brush because it's going to be slightly more precise. Just gently tap the palette because it does fall out quite a lot, and just be careful not to get it everywhere. So I'm just going to place this now into the crease of my eye. So now using a smaller blending brush like this one, I'm just going to blend out the Not a Fact into the pigment. Yeah, I know. Ooh. There we go, girls. So now your eyes look bruised and it's like you've just been smacked in the face by some dusty old bitch down the pub. It's time to go in with the next shade. So I'm going to go in now and approach with the shade Trisha, which is the hot pink here. I'm just going to place that onto my eyelid so that we can cut crease over the top. Because it is more of a shimmery shade, I'm going to go in with a slightly more packed and pressed brush, just like this one. It's a bit more like a concealery brush. I'm just going to pick up the colour that I can. Oh, I'll say it's pat, girl, that come out quick. And I'm just going to gently press this onto my eyelids now to cut crease over. Yeah, I know. Ooh. There we go. So the hot pinks now on. Absolutely loving this colour. Like, wow. Look at that pink. It's glowing. It's glowing so hard. I feel like we're kind of losing the maroon colour now. So I'm going to go back in with Not a Fact and just place that back into the eyes and blend it out again. Because you see that it's kind of worn out. And compared to the pink, it's really getting lost. Yeah, I know. Ooh. There we go. So now we have a hot pink to maroon smoky eye. Looking good. What do you think? Do you like it? It's looking smoky and busted. However, we did say we were going to get in some of that lime green. I've kind of had a change of heart and I want to go a little bit wild with this one. So instead of going in and doing a cute old cut crease like girl you've seen on the last 2 pictures in my Instagram feed, we're going to go in and I just want to get the lime green into this kind of curve here of the eye, into like where the tear ducts are, and then slightly like blend it around the area and into the pink. I'm just bored of cut creases. They're so done and rinsed. Girl, this lockdown we need to bring something new into the world and get a new old trend, and I really don't think that cut creases are the ones. They're just so last year. So now we're gonna go in with the shade Food Videos, which is the lime green now, and I just want to go in and press this onto, like I mentioned, the inner corners of the eye where my tear ducts are, and just blend them out. So for doing that, because my eyes react really badly, like probably most of yours do, girl, I'm no one special, when they get powder inside, they water up, and girl, lashes are hard enough to keep on as it is. So I'm just going to go in now with the shade Food Video like this, and I'm just going to place that onto the inner eye and try and blend it out and do something cute with it, and I'll be back. Yeah, I know. Ooh. There we go. So now we have the, I would say it was supposed to be lime green. It looks lime green in the palette, but it kind of transfers like this yellowy green. It looks really, really yellow on the phone that I'm recording on now. However, on the actual like in person, it looks really green. I'm kind of loving it. It's giving like Beetlejuice vibes, having this purple and the green. However, it also makes me feel like a bit like a flower. Do you know what I mean? Like, you know when I have like that yellow in the middle and it like blends out to the pink. Like I feel real cute, I'm not gonna lie. So now using my finger, I'm just gonna slightly press onto the shade Trisha and press onto the center of my eyes just to reinstate that pink and give it the highlight, because girl, this is a shimmer. There we go. So now we have the green reinstated with the hot pink there too, shimmering on nicely. I'm just going to go in with the shade What's the Tea, which I've already rubbed it off, girl, but it is this teal shaded colour here. Really nice, lovely light blue. And I just want to press this on underneath my eye here and just bring it up towards here. And then afterwards, I'm going to reinstate that maroon colour here, which is the shade Not a Fact. And then just kind of give it like that bold, smoky look. We'll whack on some lashes, put on some lippy, and slam bam, your wife's called Pam. Now using a smaller, it's kind of like a precise brush. Go, I don't know what you call it, but this is what we're using. I'm just going to go in with the shade What's the Tea, which is this one here. And I'm just going to buff this in underneath my lower lashes. Yeah, I know. Ooh, girl, I feel like I've got a party on my face. There we go. So now that we have the blue on, I've blended a bit more of the yellow colour, which is food videos, into the blue and pushed it up towards the purple. I'm just going to now, on this flat-ended brush at the part here, I'm just going to go in with the shade Not a Fact. Yes, Not a Fact. And I'm just going to slightly push this colour into the blue. Yeah, I know. Ooh. There we go. I'm feeling happy with that. The eye look's now done. We have it's kind of like an 80s vibe. Do you know what I mean? Like we've got the blues, the yellows, the pinks. It's kind of like, you know, they have all those like squiggly effects and things going on in the 80s, like music videos and stuff. That's literally what it reminds me of. Like I feel so 80s. I feel so cute right now. It's ridiculous. Like I'm absolutely living for this. So now it's time to do lashes. So lashes were provided by my girl Alex. She is a beautiful Greek goddess and I love her so much. She has the most amazing infilled lashes, so she doesn't wear falsies anymore. So she's kindly donated these to the Miss Patra Fund, the Miss Patra Foundation. Go, if anyone else wants to donate, like any brands, that'd be amazing. I'll happily represent and get your name out there. So we're gonna go in with something fun and something fresh. The ones that instantly brought my eye to them were these ones here, right at the bottom. So I'm gonna go in with these lashes now and place these on and I'll be back. There we go, so lashes are on. I put on some mascara on the lower lashes. The lashes that I was trying, they didn't really stick down, girl, so I've used some old crusty ones I found in the drawer. And then I also put on some white eyeliner just on my lower eyelid, just to make my eyes look a bit more bigger and pop, because sometimes when you pop on the old lashes, they drown the old eyes out. So I'm feeling cute, I'm feeling fresh. I feel like my eyes look really big actually. So now it's time to try the lipstick, which is the Showstopper Bobbi Brown Christmas Edition lipstick. And I'm so excited to try this. So I'm going to go in with a warmer, like pink colour, which I believe is White Wedding Revolution Lip Liner. I'm just going to outline my lips now and put on the lipstick. So lips are now lined. I'm going to go in with the lipstick and we're going to try this one on together. So I'm just going to push this onto the centre of the lips first. Whoa, girl, I'm living. You know, when I have my mouth, I was saying this to my girl Siobhan earlier, when I have my mouth shut, like, my lips look so full and fresh, but when I open them up and smile, I've got like the thinnest little lips going, like that top lip just disappears, like my ambition and hopes in life. So, what do you think of that? I wouldn't say I can see the glitter so much. You can see it like in person. I can't imagine you can probably see it on there, but it actually feels really good. Like, it sits on the lips nice. It's kind of giving it a highlighted effect. Like most lipsticks you try on a like matte effect, whereas this is like a really nice red. Like looking at this and the colour that is now, I really wouldn't have expected it to transfer to the colour it actually is. This is one of those ones that, because girl, it's on a high-end price point. I'm going to use this for occasion. I absolutely love it, but I just do not want to waste it and ruin it. So that's going to get saved. That's going to stay on the top of the dressing table. It's made it to my favourites list. I absolutely love it. So Gemma, thank you so much for that. I'm absolutely living for this lipstick. It's definitely by far one of my best ones. And you can really tell with the quality of the product as well, that it's not transferring to my teeth, which girl we see in every video. But this just feels really, really good on your lips. I almost don't want to ruin it by putting lip gloss on. So I'm just going to gently dab a little bit of lip gloss onto my lips now, just to kind of give it like a more glossy effect. Yeah, I know. Ooh. There we go. Okay, that's finished off nicely. Very gently dabbed it on because I don't want to rub off the product. It's more like a £1 lip on my face right now. Like, this lip's got to work. So what do you think? I'm absolutely living, and I mean living, for this final look. I think it's really cute, but I feel really good actually. You know, I feel really cute. The red lip's bold. I don't normally wear red. I like more of a nude lip because I don't have lips. So just kind of like myself feel a bit better. My final thoughts and feelings. So the lashes were trash. I love you, Alex, but they're just not the one for me, which I'm not slating her. Don't make me out to be some shady girl because I'm going to message her that in a minute anyway. The palette is amazing. Like, just look at how this turned out. I'm absolutely loving the highlight in the shade, I believe it was Trisha, which is the glittery pink. I'm loving the Not a Fact, which is the maroon colour, which gave me this nice warm glow. What's the tea? The blue, amazing under the eye. And also the green, girl, I don't remember what it is, but it's cute. So let me know what you think in the thoughts down below. Give me ideas for videos because, girl, I am so dry, it's ridiculous. Like this video that you're gonna see this Sunday, like that you're watching right now, it was gonna be bad. It was going to be some Googled Q&A, and I was going to bust out some makeup with whatever palette I could find in Boots because we know no lockdown 2's coming now. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Do you like this look? Do you like the lipstick? Do you like the eyeshadow? Are you happy that Jeffree Star's in TK-MAXX? Are you not? If you want any updates on the drama of what's happened, just go on to Rich Lux's channel. He is my favourite drama person. I watch his videos every single day. He gives you the drama updates, the tea. He tells you all the news and all of the things. He even like goes out and tries makeup, which I love. I live for that so much. He is so funny. Honestly, absolutely love him. So if you want to know about Dramageddon, go to that channel there. And on my part, I want to say thank you for watching. If you've made it past the 4-minute watch time I get on most videos, then thank you so much and I welcome you. Do you like my Ernest Jones earrings, which didn't cost me £2 from Primark, and my gold, 24 karat gold actually, necklace, which definitely wasn't £3 from Primark. Do you like it? Do you feel it? So I just want to say thank you. Please like and subscribe. Please go view my Instagram. I haven't got around to TikTok yet, but I'm working on it. I am working on it. Believe me, girl, all I do is work. So let me know. So bye, guys, and thank you so much. Love you. Bye.